Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate variance Excel full guide. Open your dataset in Excel, select the range of values and choose VAR. P for a full population or VAR. S for a sample. Use cell references like A2, A25, press enter, and verify results with manual calculation of mean and squared deviations. I'll walk you through examples, common pitfalls, and quick checks so you can trust your numbers confidently. Start by calculating the mean with average, then compute squared deviations in a helper column and use average on those squares for VAR. P or SUM and divide for VAR. S adjustment. Use IF to exclude blanks or errors and protect formulas with absolute references like $1.02, $1.25. I will demonstrate dynamic named ranges and the quicker single-cell VAR. P and VAR. S functions, so you can apply these techniques in real spreadsheets. Quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. It really helps. On another note, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, and it's surprisingly good at cleaning crumbs from your keyboard while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy helpful tools, consider it. Now let's get back to the video. Interpret variance carefully since it's in squared units, so compare values in context and convert to standard deviation when you need original units. Watch out for outliers, non-numeric text, and hidden rows that skew results, and use filter or subtotal as needed. I'll show how to handle grouped data, weighted variance, and visual checks with histograms so you can both compute and explain variance clearly to others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.